The worst of the allergic reactions, the one that most people are most fearful of, is what's called an anaphylactic reaction. An anaphylactic reaction is an overwhelming response of the immune system under the assumption that it is doing everything it can to protect you. It is pulling all the stops, and it can actually kill a person. In an anaphylactic reaction, you get an overwhelming release of histamine from the mast cells in the body. You get degranulation of all kinds of cytokines which rapidly flow into the bloodstream. And when that flows into the bloodstream, you get edema or swelling of the respiratory tract, of the skin, because water starts to be released and accumulated in all these organs, and you get a collapse of the blood pressure. And that's where the danger occurs. Most people may die from a severe anaphylactic if not treated, primarily from upper airway obstruction. Their trachea or their throat or their lungs will close to the point where they cannot breathe. And if that doesn't occur, they may die from shock. So typically when you get an anaphylactic reaction, it requires immediate treatment. And it's always a very fearful position to be in. And it should be separated from a generalized or a systemic reaction where someone just gets hives or maybe starts to cough, whereas you can have multi-system involvement, and that's where it becomes anaphylactic and where it can become potentially fatal.
A Dramatic Health production.